Alban. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Springtown, Texas. Really, I went to a few schools in Texas, like around me and stuff like that, and I didn't really, it was mostly like classroom time, you know, it didn't really, never really welded or any of that stuff.
How much welding time are you getting here versus anywhere else?
Oh, like all day. That's all you do. Yeah, like you just get here, you know, you do your safety meeting and all that stuff, and then you just go weld all day. I'll like weld the pipe or something like that, you know, I'll think it's real good, and then they'll come look at it, and then it's cool because, like, you know, they'll find all the little imperfections and stuff that, like, you need to fix when you don't even, I don't even see them.
Do you love it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.